Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a spiral with a black back. You want to decide where you want the center of your spiral to be, give it a little pinch, and then spiral it up. And I'm telling you guys, I love this microwave lid cover thing. It really makes these spirals turn out nice. I got it on Amazon, and I have a link for it down below in the description box, along with everything else that I use for tie-dye. I like to secure my spirals by using rubber bands, but you could also use kite string. It's just a matter of preference. This is a Gildan soft style shirt, and the spiral's not overly tight, so it wants to taco up. Well, I call it tacoing up, where it sort of folds in on itself. You don't want that to happen, so you need to either use larger rubber bands or less rubber bands. In this case, I was able to just flip it over on the other side and it stopped doing that. So yeah, you don't want it to fold up. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye. Usually I dye on a rack and a little foil tray. All of those are in use right now, so I'm just dyeing on my little dye towel, and that's completely fine. Also, this shirt is going to have the black back, so it really doesn't have to be on a rack. When adding black to the back of the shirt, you want to work quickly and you want to not oversaturate. And then before you set it off to batch, flip it back over so that the colors are on the top. If you leave it with the black side on the top, while it's batching, all that black is going to soak through your colors, and it just sort of makes it into a muddy mess. Like I said before, all of my containers are in use, so I'm just going to batch inside of a plastic bag. I set the plastic bag inside of a tote, put the lid on it, and you can have many shirts in there. So it's been 24 hours and now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the shirt, and gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. Then from here I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, and I do a third hot water cycle using Millsoft. Then I put the shirts in the dryer and we come back and we see our results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried, and I think this thing is absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about this shirt. I think the colors turned out really amazing. I don't know what happened to my amethyst though. It's very light pinkish purple. It's normally not like that, but I'm okay with it because whatever happened here, it's beautiful. So what do you guys think of this shirt? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a thumbs up and click the bell for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.